Hey folks, this video is on a possible water leak location in a 99 or comparable year Suburban. This might also be true for the Silverado, I'm not exactly sure, but if you're having a water leak in any of those trucks, it's definitely worth checking out these locations. So as you can see, my carpet's all pulled back, exposing the footwell. And what was happening for me was whenever it rained, there was an obvious stream of water that was coming down on the left side of this weld. So one thing that this could have been, but was not in my case, is this boot can crack and leak. So check that. In my case, if we come around to the engine bay, in this area of the engine bay, two sections that make up the interior tub and the firewall come together, and they're not welded in this location. They're covered by a foam, which is then painted, and over time that foam can crack. In my case, the crack was so small you would never have thought it was enough to let water in, but it was right here at this joint, and now that I've cut back the foam, you can see that the crack led to a rather large hole that's a direct pathway into the footwell of the interior. So water was running off the windshield, it comes down this, what essentially is a slide, and then just funnels right into this hole. So now what I'm going to do is clean it up, cut back anything that's flaking. I'm going to use some black RTV silicone. I'm going to fill that hole up and then cover everything over for good measure to cover any cracks, and then I'll be good to go. Just so you know, accessing this location is very easy. There is one cover that covers this. All you need to do is take one screw out and then it lifts off. And it is similar on both sides, the drivers and passengers. I don't have a water leak over here, but the construction is the same, and I was having some cracking, which I have also cut away. You can see that. Again, it's just a pathway straight into the car. So I'm going to fill this as well, cover everything over on this side, because eventually I know water leaks will develop on the driver's side as well. So if you're having a leak on the interior of a Suburban or Silverado, I hope this helps you identify it.